Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. In this video would tell you about the walk-in drive that is going to happen on 23rd of August, that is on upcoming Saturday. So there is a requirement for automation engineer at QualityKiosk Technologies. So they are looking for the automation engineers for their dynamic team in Mumbai location. The role is automation engineer. It's a work from office. Notice period is 0 to 15 days preferred, and the walk-in drive details are on Saturday, August 23rd. The timings would be 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Venue is Quality Chaos Technologies, and it's at fourth floor, Navi Mumbai 400710. These are the venue details. What they are looking for? So they are looking for someone who has completed BE, B.Tech, or M.Sc-IT, MCA, and core skills RPA, Selenium, Appium, and programming Java, .NET, JavaScript, the normal programming things that they are looking. Testing, API automation, Postman experience is preferred, and required years of experience is 3 years to 6 years. So if you are someone who is looking forward for a job opportunity at this location, then this is a wonderful job opportunity. You can go over there and you can be a part of this walk-in drive. So the responsibilities are you need to develop and maintain automation scripts and frameworks, evaluate and integrate automation tools for enhanced productivity, collaborate on test tool integration projects, and maintain comprehensive daily status reporting. And you can send your resume to this email address as well for the quick update. And once they confirm, then you can be a part of this walk-in drive. Or I would suggest you can directly visit this particular venue on 23rd of August if you are looking for the automation engineer roles. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.